Hi friends! So today, this is going to be, if you just saw this look, you probably watched tomorrow's video, which is a tutorial Tuesday on this little makeup look I did with the Prism palette. I completely forgot. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. So again, I am sorry I missed uploading the past week. I sprained my wrist. I was trying to move a couch and it crushed my wrist and it's sprained now. So we're just loving life. I'm just kidding, I do. So yeah, that's why my wrist, I just haven't uploaded because my wrist was sprained. Before you jump into this video, while my life has been insane and I haven't really had a lot of time to be uploading, you guys, amazingly, for some reason, I hit 4,000 subscribers, which is like what? What? But I am just like, I can't really put into words. I'm not a super like mushy person. I can't really put into words how appreciative and how amazing that feeling is, and just like the emotions that come with that. I know to some people 4,000 is not a lot of subscribers, but I just never thought I would see that many people by my name. And the fact that I have over 4,000 people now, we're almost at 4.2, that just really understand what I'm trying to say and like my makeup and like to hear me talk about things is just a really awesome and cool feeling. So I wanted to do a little giveaway. It's not a lot and I feel bad. I wish I could spend like all the money in the world just giving every single one of you something. It's gonna have 4 winners because a while back I did a poll asking if you guys would rather have a giveaway that had like 1 winner and they got like 4 or 5 things, or if it was like 4 or 5 winners. So I do have 4 things right here right now and I'm gonna be giving all 4 of these away. So the first thing is, I guess I should start with the palettes. So one person, these are all things that truly like I really like, makeup products that I just enjoy. So I wanted to show you guys those. So first is a MAC Peaches blush. One person will be getting a MAC Peaches blush from me. This is, if you've watched my channel, one of my favorite blushes of all time. And I'm really excited to get to give this to someone. I'm excited I get to give this to somebody and give them something that I love so much. So one lucky winner will be receiving a MAC Peaches blush. The next, this is not the actual palette you'll be getting. This is my personal one. I left the one I bought in my car. But someone will be winning the Morphe 9C palette. This has been one of my favorite palettes lately. I've been really obsessed with it and just playing around with it. Yeah, it's all janky because this one's mine. You'll get a new one. But one person will be getting a Morphe 9C palette, and I love that palette, so I'm excited. The last 3 are palettes. One person will be getting the ColourPop Yes Please palette, which I'm really excited to give away because if you watched my Natasha Denona versus this palette, you know that I liked this one better than the $129 eyeshadow palette one. So if you want to win the ColourPop Yes Please palette, you can enter the giveaway. I think this is really a cute little palette. And then finally, I'm going to be giving away the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. I really like this palette a lot. Actually, I got this for my birthday as one of my presents. So I ordered a second one to give to you guys because, I don't know, I just think this is a cool palette. It's got some really unique shades in it. But yeah, those are the 4 things I'm giving away. There will be 4 different winners. All you have to do to enter is just, I guess, like, subscribe and comment down below. I don't really need it to be crazy. Yeah, if you guys just subscribe and comment down below, we'll call it a day. I don't really want to make you guys like I feel bad when it's like, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, because like, what if you don't have one of those? I don't want to force you to make one just to follow me. So please just subscribe and comment down below. And thank you for subscribing in the first place and being a part of this channel and being a part of my kind of thing and what I love to do. And yeah, I'm just kind of overwhelmed. I'm really excited that you guys are here. So yeah, so now we're just gonna get into the video. I am not buying anything from the Sephora VIB Rouge sale. I'm not buying anything. Here's the thing. I am a VIB Rouge, shamefully. I've spent way too much money at Sephora. I am an everything. Like I I am the highest tier at every single makeup store you can think of because I'm crazy. So usually when the Sephora VIB Rouge sale comes around, I get really, really excited, and I have like a wish list. I think I even did like a haul of stuff I bought at the last VIB sale on my channel. Did I? I think I made a haul of like stuff I bought, and usually I go a little bit crazy and I tend to just buy things. And here's what I kind of realized this year, and I'm not telling you guys to buy nothing, because I do think Sephora never has sales, which is also kind of part of the reason they kind of get you for this. But the thing I think about here is kind of similar to what I said during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, but I feel like this is a little bit different because you can have anything you want. I totally think it's great that people will buy like refills of products they're out of. They will buy maybe some products that they were really eyeing, they wanted to get for the 15% off. They will, you know, stock up on skincare, because Lord knows skincare is the one thing that's like kind of, I'm talking about the makeup at the at the sale, because I do kind of feel like for how expensive skincare, 15% is a lot to be taken off. But I'm kind of talking about the makeup aspect of it. I just kind of feel, how do I put this? I just kind of feel like I personally, this is why I'm personally not buying anything, I guess, and then you guys can tell me in the comments how you feel about this. I personally just don't have anything to buy. Moving was a really sobering experience because I filled up about 4 boxes just with makeup, and I was kind of like, wow, I have a lot. I have a whole, like, I kept looking at like highlighters or blushes or contours I might want to buy, and I was like kind of looking at those, and I was like, well, maybe I'll buy this that I've been eyeing. And then I kind of realized, I looked in my drawer and I was like, I don't need any more highlights right now. I don't need any more contours. I don't need any more blushes. I don't need, Lord knows I don't need any more eyeshadow palettes, because I don't. And the thing that kind of irks me a little bit about the makeup aspect of it, 15% is kind of a slap in the face. Am I crazy to think that 15% is really not that much off? I almost feel, and I don't even feel, I know that this is kind of a thing that happens where you hear like makeup sale and in your mind you're like, holy crap, Sephora never has sales. That's literally what you instantly think. That's what everyone says. All the videos I watch that are like the recommendations for what you should buy, it's like, and Sephora never has sales, so we should really jump on this deal. And I'm like, should we though? Do we need to jump on this deal? Like, do I have to jump on this deal? I just kind of feel like, I don't know, I feel weird about it. I feel like we don't actually need a lot of the stuff, and I kind of like, I debated getting more of the like Stila glitters or whatever, but I could just buy those any day, because realistically they're $24, 15% off is like $3. Like, I'm only getting a $3 discount on something that I want. That's really not that much money to be saving to go out of my way to buy a bunch of them and think that I'm getting a deal on it. I feel like Sephora makes you think that because they never do sales, this is like a fantastic deal. This is your time to stock up. And I've done it before. I've gone in and I just bought things because I was like, well, it's 20% off. Like, oh my God, because this isn't even the 20% off one. This is the 15% off one. So I was like, oh my God, 15%. Like, I'm saving so much money. I wasn't saving that much money. I was spending more money than I should have been spending because I still didn't need the makeup. I'm more talking to the people who maybe not like, I feel like there are exceptions to this, because if you don't have a ton of makeup, or you want to build up something, or you want to do something, like, I totally get it. But for me personally, I have you guys are going to see when I do my beauty room tour, I just have so much makeup, and it's getting to the point where I would like to, that's kind of why I started this new series. I'm starting like Tutorial Tuesdays, where I do like an eyeshadow palette tutorial with you guys and show you like a look I do, because I noticed I have all these things and I'm not necessarily using everything. So I'm more talking to the people who feel like they just have a lot. And I know when you have a lot, there's a pressure to keep buying new things and doing new things. And I'm going to still buy new makeup all the time. And I just placed an order for the Kim Kardashian palette. I bought that. I'm still going to buy new things. I'm just not going to be sold on the gimmick anymore. I'm not going to be sold on it's the only sale Sephora has, so go and spend your money. I'm just not going to do it anymore. I don't think it's bad if you want to shop the sale. I think if you want to get 15% off, like, please do. I encourage you to like save money if you're gonna buy this stuff. I feel like there are some people, I know I feel this sort of like pressure to just like keep building and building and buying more and getting more and spending more, and I just don't need to right now. I'm happy with my collection, and I don't need to buy like a mass amount of things at one time. I guess that's more of it. I don't want to be spending like $150 that I really truly don't have. I have so many other things going on this month. I truly don't, first and foremost, I just like don't have the money to spend that much on it. And I'm not gonna just like, I'm not gonna like finesse my way into getting money so I can buy things at a Sephora sale that I don't realistically need that much. If it's stuff you're gonna buy anyway and like whatever, but I don't have anything that I'm like dying to buy. There's nothing I'm like, oh my God, I need that in my life right now. Everything is just kind of meh right now to me. Makeup is kind of like, I have the makeup I have and I love it and I use it and I want to use it more. So I want to stop buying this kind of pointless stuff just because it's a Sephora sale. Does that make sense? This is kind of a shorter video for me because I feel like there's not a lot I can really say on it except I'm not shopping the sale. Let me know down below like what you are picking up and what you are going to buy. And let me know if maybe you were going to buy stuff and now you're like, hey, maybe I don't need to. Just kind of rethink and reevaluate, like, do I really need this? Or am I just buying it because it's this once a year sale that's like crazy and insane and I feel like I have to? Because that's kind of how I feel. I feel like I have to buy stuff. I feel like I had to make a video talking about my recommendations. I don't really have any recommendations for you guys. I think you should buy, like, I don't know. I don't really have anything that I'm like dying to get my hands on. And if I did, I already put it in my last video where I talked about makeup I've been like looking at. But none of that is stuff I'm like dying to get my hands on, dying to buy. So, I don't know. 15%, not that much. Really, not, if you don't need anything, don't feel like you have to go in and buy something just because it's a sale. Because you don't. You don't have to. You really don't. I promise. Yeah, so that's my video. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was a little bit random, a little bit ranty, a little bit weird, but I just wanted to sit down and tell you why I'm not shopping the sale. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, or just like, or just subscribe, or do neither. I'm honestly just so happy you're here watching me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!